Good day, teachers. Online Voice Recorder is a terrific tool, simple and it's practical for teachers and students to make voice recordings. So what can educators do with it? Well, first of all, you can record audio directions for your students to allow students to listen to directions more than once at their own pace. You can read to students. You can use it to improve pronunciation and fluency. You can create a podcast, practice transcribing, storytelling to build community and cultural awareness. Give students audio feedback, as well as just providing students an alternate way for them to demonstrate their learning. So we're going to go look at how to use this cool free tool. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go up into that Omnibox and go to online-voice-recorder.com. If you are using an ad blocker like I am, when you get there, it's going to look like this, basically a giant blue screen. If you are not running an ad blocker, you're going to see some ads in this upper area up here. It's not really a problem. They're not going to interfere with your ability to record, but you will see advertising. The ad blocker that I'm using is uBlock Origin, and it's my very favorite ad blocker. So how do you use the tool? First of all, it'll ask for microphone permissions. And then when you click record, it's going to just start recording. So there's not really a countdown like sometimes you will see. Once you begin recording, you do have access to a pause button, which is nice because you can click it, pause for a second, you're recording, and then unclick it, and then continue recording. When you're done, you can't crop things out of the middle. So if there's a boo-boo in the middle, you're going to have to live with it, but you can trim the ends, and I'll show you that right now. So you click stop when you're finished recording, and then you can see you have these two blue toggle bars at the end, and you can just drag those in so you can cut out that dead space that's sometimes at the beginning and the end. You can, of course, play your audio to hear it.
Things out of the middle. So if there's a boo-boo in the middle, you're going to have to.
Okay. And when you're happy with it, click that save button. So on your Chromebook, it's going to default save to that download folder. And here on my desktop computer, it is saving to where I told it to save, which is the desktop. Once you have saved it, you can, of course, upload it to Google Drive or upload it to Google Classroom where you can use it from there. You will notice that there are some other audio tools here, and these might be interesting or fun to play with, but it's not a full-size audio editor. And so my recommendation is just to use the tool simply just like it is, because you can use it with your class and not have to give a lot of instructions or directions to your students. They can just use it right away and be successful with it. Have a day filled with love and learning, and if you need anything at all, see your ITRT.